I'll tell you what, it's been such a muggy weather today. It really had drained me, but I hope you got to see what you got to see today. They really were working on the station area today. There's a bit of dip because they had to do something down there. I reckon it's the concrete level to make it a balanced level, or I might be doing something else. But overall, there was a lot of work on that. And what else was there? Yeah, the maintenance bay is going to be, there was like tubes around it, which was interesting. But overall, it looks so much neat and nice. The weather has really drained me though. Yeah, it's been such a week though. Teaser campaign has officially started, which was perfect on marketing for National Roller Coaster Day. And yeah, the hype is really starting now. What could next week be bringing now? The future is looking very good now. I can only imagine what they're going to be doing next week, or what they're going to be doing next week. The future's looking very nicely indeed. So to see more projects as updated, if they are planning next week or anything good, subscribe and I will be definitely doing an update. But overall, I can only give you what I can give you. Give it the best. But till next time, thank you very much for watching. It's only going to get started, and I believe there could be more next week. If not, it'll be the week after. Here's to the future. Thank you so much for a good week. Have a good weekend. And yeah, see you later.